Welcome back. Well, we have Sharon and Fran here with the Old Pros, who's going to tell us a little bit about some of the things coming up and also some changes. Hello, ladies. Nice to see you. How are you?
Good.
Great. How are you doing today?
Very good.
Good.
So it sounds like you've got a few different things going on. So who would like to start?
Always Fran.
All right, Fran, you go ahead.
Always Fran.
You go ahead. Tell me what you have going on.
Well, first I wanted to mention the club is dark in August. But
Okay.
that doesn't mean that we're not doing anything, okay? I just found out last night, so I'm really excited. On August 29th, they're going to have auditions for our radio show program, which is fantastic for those of you, or you don't know.
No.
With the radio shows, you don't have to memorize anything. You have a script, so you come out and do a reading.
Right.
And
It's like a staged radio show, so like you used to see in the
yeah.
movies with everybody standing in front of the mics.
Yes.
and we have
yes.
sound effect people, etc.
fun.
It's very fun to see.
So those auditions are the 29th
Okay.
of August.
Okay, and
We
who are you
even
looking
try
for those kinds of auditions?
Anybody.
It just doesn't
Anybody,
matter, anybody.
yeah.
Everybody.
Okay.
The audience out there, come on
Okay.
out and try it. You know,
Right.
that type. Because
Okay.
a lot of people want to get involved with the theater, but they can't memorize things.
Sure.
So this makes it a lot easier and it's more fun. And it's at Clubhouse 2, the Gravilla
Grevillea room, yeah.
Okay, all right.
And it's from 2 o'clock to 6 p.m.
Okay.
So it doesn't interfere with the morning errands and appointments and stuff.
And
Okay.
over before dinner.
Yeah, and it's over
Okay.
before dinner. And if anybody out there really wants to try and see what it's like, they should come on in.
Perfect.
I was in the radio show they did last year, and it's just so much fun to do.
Okay.
Because if your character has a funny voice, you get to do a funny voice. I mean, you can do anything.
that sounds
Yeah.
fun.
Right. So
Yeah.
it kind of brings out your personality, and hopefully you get a part that you really enjoy, and you just get into it.
Okay, cool.
Now, September 13th is our regular club meeting.
Okay.
And that is at Clubhouse 7 at 4 o'clock. And we really are going to start at 4:15 sharp.
Okay.
Because they're doing a reading called The Comfort Women. And it's about 5 European women, it's fictionalized, that gets caught, captured in World War II by the Japanese, and they're used for relaxation women. There's no intermission, and it's 70 minutes, and it's in 2 acts.
Okay.
So the first act tells about their life before they got captured, and the second act, of course, is what happens when they are captured, and what happens. I don't want to give anything away.
Right.
And that's 4 o'clock, Clubhouse 7, that's where our regular meetings are, and it's on September 13th, the second Thursday of the month.
And this
Okay.
is a time change for our meetings. Our meetings used to be at 4:30. From now on, they're going to be at 4 o'clock.
Okay, so 4 o'clock, and then things will start at 4:15.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
Okay. So try to be there by 4 for
At
sure.
4
Oh, yeah.
o'clock, basically, you'll be greeted by the president. They bring
Perfect.
the meeting to order, and then the performance will start at 4:15.
You know, for those that don't know, I mean, we've had a lot of people that are new that moved into the area. Tell me what the Old Pros really is.
Well, the Old Pros was started by people who live here about 10 years ago, I think, who are old show business pros.
Okay.
Actors and directors and people who made their living somewhere in show business.
All right.
And decided to start a second theater group that focused on more serious types of plays and things than the Theater Guild, which is also a wonderful organization. We belong to both.
Okay, right. I figured as much.
Yeah, and Theater Guild usually does the musicals and the comedies.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you? And then the Old Pros kind of gears more towards readings
No,
and
well,
or which one?
and serious plays most of the time, although their next production might, after Shakespeare, which we'll get to in a minute, but they do Shakespeare and
Right.
and serious plays and.
Okay. Well, tell me your background, Sharon. What did
Well,
you
my
used to
background,
do?
I have a degree in theater.
Okay.
I ended up being a radio announcer for 30 years.
Your voice is awesome. So perfect, right?
And overlapping with all of that, I was also a synagogue cantor, so I'm a singer.
Okay.
And then when I was in my mid-40s, decided I should be something else when I grow up, and I went back to school and became a chiropractor.
So
So,
completely different.
so I do all of these things, and I
Okay.
still do all of these things.
Well, yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice. You have a very full schedule, I'm
Yeah.
sure. How about you, Fran?
My background?
Yes.
No, I was not in the theater at all.
Okay.
I-
Okay. But you were
I
around
was-
people with the theater, though,
Oh
right?
yes, I've been doing makeup
Right.
here I got started here in the theater business probably 7 years ago, doing the makeup for the shows for Theater Guild and Old Pros, Shakespeare on the Patio, and went on from there. I went back to school and got my degree. I was the first makeup artist here for Channel 6.
That's right,
Yeah.
you were,
Yeah.
and you look
Yeah.
so beautiful. Everybody looks so nice.
Well,
so
trying to, it's early.
Yeah, I know it is early. Well, let's get to the Shakespeare. What do you guys have going on? I love the flyer. It was very well done.
Oh, the flyer's beautiful.
It looks
I'm very
great.
proud of it. I didn't have anything to do with it, but I am very proud of it. Shakespeare in the Patio has been done for the last 7 years, I believe. And what we are doing this year is we're doing scenes. Oh, there's the flyer. It's so pretty. We're doing scenes from different Shakespeare plays. So there will be scenes from Hamlet, scenes from As You Like It, some serious readings, some funny readings. We're going to have sonnets, some of the Shakespearean sonnets read as well. I'm doing a funny scene from The Tempest with David Deering, and then I also am going to be in one of the 2 Shakespeare scenes where I'm playing Queen Gertrude, and I told them, I said, you know, I'm used to getting laughs. I'm not sure if you guys really want me doing this. But
full costume?
As full costumes as we can, but
Okay,
yes.
well, that's great.
But the fun part is it's on the patio. People can bring dinner with them if they want.
They usually
We're going to
do.
have strolling troubadours
Okay.
going through the tables and different singing and music and dancing throughout the show. So it's not
Sounds
just
fun.
serious Shakespeare. There's drama, there's comedy, there's
Right.
music, and it should just
Kind
be
of done the old-fashioned way,
the
right?
old-fashioned way.
I
And
like
if people look at the dates and go, wait a minute, that can't be right. It's a Sunday and Monday. It is a Sunday and Monday.
Okay.
People who are retired, goes Monday. It's fine.
But it's the same time for both days,
It is
right?
the same time for both.
That was doors open at 6 p.m. and the performance starts roughly around 7.
Right.
And last year it was jammed. So, and we expanded what we're doing. So this year we expect even more people, and it's wonderful. They'll, as you said, singing and dancing, but the people just come, bring their food, share it. We have big round tables set
Okay,
up,
good.
and we have even tables in the shaded area. They'll probably be selling food again. They usually have somebody selling food. I don't know which group. And if you don't want to bring that, you can, you know, go ahead and buy food there.
Oh,
But
there
they
will
run-
be food there.
Yeah,
Okay.
they usually do.
In all likelihood, yeah.
Okay. Do you happen? You don't know what kind of food yet?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Perfect.
We'll make sure it's
Perfect.
good.
Of course you will. Of course. You know what? Maybe they have those big chicken legs.
Yes,
No,
that's right.
no, they
but
don't,
have
not like
legs
a bear.
and little pasties.
They have the, last year it was hamburgers and the fixings.
Ye old
and stuff.
hamburgers.
Ye old hamburgers and fries.
I don't know, I always bring a picnic.
The Gaelic potato.
You guys are a crack up.
We usually bring a picnic and, you know,
Yeah.
and set it out. It looks like we're expecting 900 people for our food. But, you know, at the end of the evening, it's all gone.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it sounds fun, and thank you very
a lot
much
of
for all
fun.
the information. It was nice to see you both.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. See you next time.
Okay.
And don't forget that they will be dark this month in August and regroup again in September. And then don't forget about their Shakespeare event. We'll be right back after this.